Hello, today we're going to look at the Budgie Desktop environment 10.3. I'm going to run it on stock Ubuntu 17.04 and I made a video on how to install it on 17.4 and other versions of Ubuntu like 16.4, 16.10 and 17.4. As you can see this is not Ubuntu Budgie, but I use stock Ubuntu just so that I can just show you the desktop, and it's something I'm really considering upgrading to. So I really want to look at it, how it looks like. There's no dock. I would love to find out how to install the Budgie dock on Ubuntu because I love it, but it's a future video of your friendly penguin. So let's have a look. Like, yes, the same things for Ubuntu, like the folder, so that's not something really interesting. As you can see, this little food, grown food, and here's a brisk menu, and all the Ubuntu software and everything else I've already installed on it. I think all my stuff is here. Let's open up a system monitor that you can see like what's happening while we're running it. And as you can see, it's a nice place. It opens up there on the top. And if we go like to VirtualBox, I got VirtualBox on my other system so that all the programs moved over here, or at least got icons. Sure, they must be there. And you can, of course, like pen to panel. It's sweet. And if you look, there's nothing happening. There's the internet, there's applets, calendar, notifications. Yes, info about the panel, general idea about panel, and here's system settings. As you can see, it's all the Ubuntu things, but it's just a look at the desktop environment on Ubuntu 17.4, so it actually all makes sense. And here's a battery power settings. You can go in there, volume off. I love this about it. Here's your locate option. This is your other options. Here's the calendar, time and date settings. You can automatic time zone, let's turn it on. So based on St. Petersburg is correct. And yes, I love this about the Budgie Desktop is this calendar. That is a nice calendar, it's a GNOME calendar, and it works very nicely with the Budgie Desktop, yeah. And we also have preferences. This is new. You can see show date, of course. It's not really new. Show seconds. And the 12 hour or 24 hours. As it doesn't. Yeah. So it's like 12 hour time or 24 hour time. And then it's just leave again. So yeah, this is a very quick look at the Budgie Desktop 10.3 on Ubuntu 17.4. You can install it on any version of Ubuntu flavors and also in 16.10 and 16.4, as I said before. Thank you for watching and goodbye.